Hi, it's Barry Joyce here, and I just want to shoot a quick video to show you just how easy it is to access our free royalty-free image finder in 3 simple steps. Now, once you've completed this process, you will have access for a lifetime for over 1 million stock videos, photos and vectors in 3 simple steps. So once you've made your purchase, you will be sent a direct link where you'll be taken to this page here. And all you simply do is add your name, email, password, and click create account. I'm going to save that. And from here, that's it. That's all you need to do. So let me just quickly show you how it works. So in here, you search, so let's say health. And then whether it's an image, a vector or video, just click search. And then you'll have hundreds of different images. Just click on the preview and then download image. Same for vectors. Exactly the same, preview, download, and the same for your videos. Just search and then you just click the download video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.